Oh well, it's alright. Ow. Oopsies. Well, might as well bring you guys down with me here, so you guys can see. Okay. There we go. Alright. Well, this video is going to be a little longer. Okay. It's those two. That one and that one. That's the one that they're probably doing thermal throttling. Oh, my knee just hurt. My knee just popped a little. Oh, that cannot be good. Getting old for this. And a little old. That's okay. Oh, that hurt, that hurt, that hurt, that hurt. Oh. Oh, gosh. Yeah, really? Oh, 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 oh. Oh, you guys. Oh, so that does hurt royally. Oh, God. Oh, that's irritating, to be honest. Oh, I can barely move my knee. Ooh. Oh. Right here, guys. Oh, oh, sorry. Oh, can't figure it out. All of a sudden. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna have to clean this out. Because this has got to be thermal throttling. There's just no other. There's no other explanation for this one. Oh. These tube styles, guys. This is a tube style. Not bad, but I can't remember last time they were clean. So what I might have to do is take this casing cover off all these little bolts and check each one of them and find out what happened and how badly they are. I'll show you guys that, and let's see how we can do here. Oh, okay. Woo. Oh yeah. Look at that. That's what I'm thinking it is. It's probably thermal throttling itself. Ah, yeah. Okay, well, we'll take one down at a time and we'll clean it up. There we go, guys. Okay, well, let's bring you guys along with me. I'll bring the power. Yeah, I don't think so. The power cable should be good to go for now. I think we're okay here. Oh, just so you guys know what I was kind of working on. That's for the alarm to keep the kitties out of here. And I was just starting to put it out of the way because it hooks up to a power connector right over there, the little L shape. And I wanted to put it somewhere else. So I decided to do a little bit of, you know, make it a little nicer. Okay, now, oh, I'm a little old here. Ow. Oh, okay. We'll do it on my messy computer desk. And put this in there. Turn on a little light. Because, you know, gotta have a little light. Okay. I hope I can get you guys in frame. Perfect. Okay, so I need a very small star screwdriver. You know, I used to have about all the right ones. Don't you hate it when that happens? When you think you do and you don't know where they are? Story of my life. Story of my life. I have everything I need, I just don't know where I put anything. Very disorganized I am, guys. Very, very disorganized. Please don't be like me. Okay, we may have found the right tools. If they're going to work, that's going to be interesting. Okay, let's try this. Well, believe it or not, it works. This is nothing that I haven't done before, so, well, this is the new one. I haven't opened these up since I bought them. So, that's okay. Sometimes it would be nice if I just had like zip, zip, zip. Just be extremely careful, guys, because I'm seeing a lot of dust in these things. A lot of dust. So I'm pretty sure they're very dusty here. Oh, there we go. Now I think that's all of the screws that should hold down this cover. I think this is for the GPU. I hope I don't have to. Oh geez, now I gotta take all of these out. And put your hands underneath here. Yep, just in case it falls, you have your hands always. That's 2. There are 4 of these. Well, I guess there's a minor maintenance that ain't gonna kill anybody. Yeah. Oops. Oh, I thought I would have lost almost the screws here. Good thing the other one's still in. I just dropped the screwdriver. And I'm gonna do it right here so I don't lose this one because I just, yeah. Okay, so we'll take out this. Take out these. I don't think so. It has to do with it. What? Are you telling me I have to take this thing off too? Oh my stars. I guess I might have to. Alright. Guess this is the GPU that I'm gonna have to take out, guys. That's new. I might need to put in some things on there, some thermal paste on there. Okay, I'm just going to put them in the way they kind of go. Okay. Might be a little bit, well, I moved up all the screws out of the way. Don't tell me I gotta take those things off too. If I have to take these things, that's gonna be insane. Oh, no. But the back plate does come. And they're, oh my stars, yep. Look at that, guys. Look at all of this. Holy smoke. So now the fan. Come on. Oh, yeah. So these are this are, how's this? Oh God, this is dry. Yeah. Now there's your GPU. There's your things. I have to check all of this inside out here. Oh, look at this. 1, 2, yep, there's more screws to get to the back of this, and this is the thermal thing, thermal stuff. Oh, geez Louise, this is very precise. Now, if I can just figure out on how to take this without breaking it, I'll be in business. Oopsies. Okay, I gotta put in some new paste, clear all that out. Alright, watch me do something stupid. Uh-oh. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna have to look at this online on how to do this. Actually, speaking of online, how are we doing here? Unpaid, 1.9, 4.9, and payouts. Ah, I did get it. Status sending. 1 beam. Okay. Now, this is supposed to be nice and easy, but it's not nice and easy. At all. That's a problem. Uh-oh. Well, not good, guys. I just broke the stuff, but it's all right. It's okay. Shouldn't be at all. Should be like a little snap down. Now let's see if we can see this. See? Well, it's alright. Now we have to take out the other side, which is going to be 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is going to be a lot of little screws, guys. A lot of little screws. Okay, so these little screws are going to go off to one side. The good news is at least they kept most of them to the same. Well, so now we just got to do this. See, nothing there. I hope there's no screws hidden underneath this little thing, because I don't have anywhere I can replace these guys. I just do not. I hope they don't have anything like that. They got it over here. That one goes in there. Well, these turbo designs are a little strange. Okay, okay. Well, you know what? It's not into a bad shape, but what I'm thinking the most cause is I'm going to clear all of this out, including, I'm going to have to be careful with this one, blow all of this stuff out, clean it all out, fan. Believe it or not, it's still in good shape. Look at that. Fan's still good. It's a little dirty, so nothing too messy. I gotta clean out the back of here because the back it is. Let's see if I can show you guys. There we go. Look at this, guys. It's no longer thing. It's kind of the way it is. So I'm just gonna have to go into the air compressor, blow all of the stuff out of here, and I'll be right back. you.